Welcome to I Talk You Talk. This video let's look at some interesting facts about Nobel Prize. Of course, everybody know that Alfred Nobel's last will was that his largest share of his fortune shall be given as prizes for the notable works in academics. But there are a lot more interesting facts that many of us doesn't know about Nobel Prize. Which year did Alfred Nobel sign his will? It was year 1895. What are the fields that Nobel Prizes are awarded for? It's physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature, peace and economic science. I am good at none of these. How much was the fund that Alfred Nobel allotted for this Nobel Prize program? It's approximately $180 million. That's big money. What Nobel laureates mean? The word laureates derived from laurel wreaths. In ancient Greece, laurel wreaths were awarded as a sign of honor to athletes and poets. Who bagged Nobel Prize more than once? There are 4 individuals and 2 institutions. Number 1, Mr. Banting, twice for physics. Number 2, Miss Curie, twice, once for physics and once for chemistry. Number 3, Mr. Pauling, once for physics and once for chemistry. Number 4, Mr. Sagner, twice for his work in chemistry. And the 2 institutions are ICRC, International Committee of the Red Cross, awarded thrice for their work in peace. Number 2, UNHCR, United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, 2 times Nobel Prize winners for their work in peace. Now, let's see the youngest laureates in different fields. To begin with, peace. The very famous Malala at the age of 17. In physics, it was William Lawrence Bragg at the age of 25. In chemistry, it was Frederick Joliot at 35 years of age. In physiology or medicine, it was Frederick Banting, age 32. Literature, it was Rudyard Kipling at the age of 41. And in economic sciences, it was Esther Duflo at the age of 46. Now, the time for the oldest laureates. At the age of 97, Mr. John B. Goodenough was awarded Nobel Prize for his work in chemistry. At the year 96, Mr. Arthur Ashkin won the Nobel Prize for his work in physics. At the age of 90, Leonid Horowitz got the Nobel Prize for the work in economic science. At the age of 88, Doris Lessing got the award for the work in literature. At the age of 87, Peyton Ross got the Nobel Prize for the work in physiology and medicine. And Joseph Rotblat again at the age of 87 for his work in peace. How many Nobel Prizes were given so far? Since the year 1901 to 2019, it is 597. What is the count of laureates, both individuals and institutions put together? The count is 950. Number of women laureates so far, it is 54. And interestingly, history has witnessed family Nobel laureates. 6 times couples have won the Nobel Prize, and mom and daughter once, father and son 6 times, father and daughter once, and brother once. Which country holds the most of Nobel laureates? It's United States, 383 Nobel laureates so far. The next comes United Kingdom with 132 numbers, and the 3rd place goes to Germany with 108. India ranks 17th with 12 laureates, and that includes people who were born in India but settled in a different country. Finally, here is the list of Indian laureates. Number 1, Abhijit Banerjee for the work in economics. Number 2, Kailash Satyarthi for peace. Venkata Ramakrishnan for chemistry. The very famous Amartya Sen for economics. Subramania Chandrasekhar for his work in physics. The one and only Mother Teresa for peace. Har Gobind Khurana for medicine. The famous C.V. Raman for physics. And finally, Rabindranath Tagore for his work in literature. Hope the video was informative and interesting. Please do like, share and subscribe. and don't forget to put in your comments. Thank you.